There's a critical demand for skilled technology workers in Buffalo. It's serious. Employers in sectors from banking to healthcare are being forced to recruit from outside the region. From cybersecurity to data analytics, healthcare informatics, and more. High-paying, life-changing jobs are out there. But an opportunity like this takes more than hard work. It requires hands-on experience, specialized training, and plenty of support. It takes Trocaire College. For over 60 years, our students have been changing their own lives and proudly contributing to the Buffalo community that they call home. And now, we have invested $1.68 million to create the Trocaire Technology Institute. Here, we are offering programs that will help build the skilled workforce Western New York so desperately needs. Our graduates achieve more, like a 96.4% total placement rate, and starting salaries of over $60,000 a year on average. They have the opportunity to participate in real-world internships and earn the certifications crucial to their future career. We're here to help you succeed. That's why we offer flexible scheduling, including evening and weekend hours. And we've been ranked #1 in Western New York for both affordability and return on investment. Are you ready for a career of achievement and a life of purpose? Trocaire College is ready to get you started. Apply now at trocaire.edu/apply.